you know, you know, I think maybe if I little bit saving some money, maybe I need to rest also. Yeah. So that people miss me. So that people here is missing me. Yeah. Because there before baby cute, before if I feel like what is that? Tired or stressed, I stopped Bigo 1 month. Before. Even now, I don't know, not now, because I have a lot of planning. Yeah, I have a lot of planning to use that money for important things. Before, because before I don't care. I can spend my money here because my quota here before is not a big, you know. It's not a big. I was so happy that I got before I was so happy that I got quota 30K. Yeah. 30K is just only around 16,000. Yeah. And that's that the all of that before, all of that I used that every. But now maybe because to my age right now, because it's not the same before. It's not the same before, you know, what our think before when we are still young, still. Yeah. So now maybe 3 months to go or 4 months to go. So I need no, I'm not sure yet for resting. I remember when I was young. What do you remember? No resting for me.